This is me. If you have been watching my videos for a while, AI breakdowns, LLMs, random deep dives, you have probably heard my voice a lot, but you have never actually seen me. So today felt like the right time, not just for a face reveal, but for something much bigger that I have been quietly building behind the scenes. Over the last few months, actually years, I have been obsessed with one question. Why is learning AI still so scattered? You read a blog here, watch a YouTube video there, take notes in Notion, save links, and you will never open them again. And somehow you still feel like you're missing the big picture. I have felt that frustration myself as a developer, as an AI engineer, and a creator. So instead of complaining about it, I decided to build the thing I wish existed. That's why today I'm officially introducing my website, everythingaiml.dev, a one stop place for everything AI, ML, problem solving. Built slowly, thoughtfully, and with a long term vision. Let me walk you through what it is and, more importantly, why it exists. Let's start with the blogs. These are not shallow top 10 AI tools posts. They are deep, opinionated, story driven pieces written to make you think. For example, how GPUs versus TPUs became the most important tech war of our time. Not just hardware specs, but power, control, ecosystems, and the future of AI infrastructure. Each blog is written like I'm explaining things to a smart friend. No fluff, no unnecessary jargon, just clear thinking. And yes, many more are coming. Next, the courses section. This is still a work in progress, and I want to be very transparent about that. But here's the vision: building an LLM from scratch, not just theory, but how tokens flow, how transformers actually work, and why scaling matters. Everything about data structure, not memorizing problems, but understanding patterns, trade offs, and why solutions work. Competitive programming using Python, breaking the myth that CP is only for C++ gods. These courses are being built slowly on purpose because I care more about clarity and depth than rushing content. Then we have cheat sheets, perfect for when you are revising, interview prepping, or just stuck and need a structured nudge. Things like LeetCode important problems, CP31, 31 must do problems for each competitive programming rating. Short, practical, no over explaining. Again, still in progress but actively evolving. One of my favorite sections, books. This is where I put my personal notes and interpretations of famous AI and engineering books. Not summaries you can find anywhere, but what actually mattered, what clicked, and what changed my thinking. If you don't have time to read a 600-page book, this section is for you. There's also an About Me section, not a resume, but a story. Why I build things, why I teach, why I care about explaining complex ideas simply. If you have ever wondered who's behind this channel, that's where you will find it. And finally, the newsletter. No spam, no AI tool of the day nonsense, just new blogs, new course updates, deep ideas worth sharing. If you like how I think, that's the best way to stay connected. I did not build everythingaiml.dev to chase trends. I built it because AI is moving fast, attention is fragmented, and good learning deserves a stable home. This website will grow with me and hopefully with you. So, that's the face, that's the website, and this is just the beginning. Check out everythingaiml.dev, subscribe to the newsletter, and if you have been here for the journey, thank you. More videos, more deep dives, more building. I will see you in the next one.